guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. I recently unboxed the Logitech G715 keyboard as well as the matching Logitech G735 headset. And I figured it wouldn't be a complete set without the matching G705 gaming mouse. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. Alright guys, so overall I think I'm really happy with the Logitech G705 gaming mouse. I think that the build quality as well as the aesthetics are really well done, and not only that, but it has really good click latency, meaning that it registers clicks pretty quickly. And also I do appreciate the RGB lighting as well as the Bluetooth and wireless connection. Now on the other hand, for me, I have pretty tiny hands, so this is actually really comfortable. But for someone with bigger hands, this might feel too tiny or too uncomfortable. And not only that, but generally dedicated MMO mice do have more programmable buttons, but this actually works for me. So overall, I do like it, and I think it's a really good mouse. And I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!